Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Trump account app update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or not showing up in the App Store? Since this app launched, it has already pushed out several fix updates, so running an old version is a common cause of glitches. Here's how to force it through. First, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. If the update is stuck on waiting or the progress circle is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold the Trump accounts icon, tap pause download and then tap it again and tap resume download to kickstart it. If it keeps failing, go to the settings app, then go to general, then iPhone storage and make sure that you have at least 1 gigabyte free, since updates fail silently when the storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused app, then go back and retry the update. You can also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before retrying. So, all you've got to do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage space, try mobile's data, and the update will complete. Subscribe for more Trump account app fixes.